Understanding the phrase, wear thin, a guide for English learners. Hello everyone, welcome back to our English language learning channel. Today, we have a very interesting phrase to explore, wear thin. We'll dive into its meanings, usage, and some examples to help you understand how to use it in your daily conversations. So, let's get started. Firstly, let's look at the literal meaning of the words in the phrase. Wear, in this context, means to damage or deteriorate due to constant use or friction. Thin, on the other hand, refers to something not thick or wide. So, when something wears thin, it becomes thinner or more damaged because of continuous use. Now, when we use wear thin in a figurative sense, it doesn't refer to the physical thinning of an object. Instead, it describes a situation where patience, interest, or tolerance is decreasing. For example, if someone keeps making the same joke over and over again, your laughter and enjoyment might wear thin. In other words, you get tired of it. Let's go through some examples to see how wear thin can be used in sentences. 1. His excuses are starting to wear thin. This means that the person's excuses are no longer convincing or acceptable. 2. The constant noise from the construction site is wearing thin on my nerves. Here, it means that the noise is becoming increasingly irritating. 3. Her patience wore thin after hours of waiting. This implies that she is losing her patience. When using wear thin, remember that it often implies a gradual process. It's not a sudden change, but something that happens over time. Additionally, it's a phrase that's commonly used in informal settings, so it's perfect for casual conversations. And that's a wrap on today's lesson about the phrase, wear thin. We hope that these explanations and examples have helped clarify its meanings and uses for you. Remember, understanding such phrases is a great step towards fluent and natural English conversation. Thank you so much for watching. And don't forget to practice using wear thin in your own sentences to master it. See you in the next video.